The cost of Guardian RFID depends on the average daily population of the deployment. For example, if you are going to deploy Guardian RFID throughout your entire facility and have an ADP of 100 inmates, your cost might be somewhere around $15,000. If you have a facility with an ADP of 250 inmates, the cost of the platform is going to run somewhere between $30,000 and $50,000. These are approximations, and they're going to depend based on the size of the facility and the layout, and also the specific needs of your facility. The cost of the platform includes the price of the hardware, software, training, consumables, and the interface with your JMS or OMS. If you're interested in learning a little bit more about us, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and to our blog. If you're ready to take the next step with the Command and Control platform and want to speak to a team member, fill out the form by clicking the link below.